Water is the most important element for living beings. It is an essential factor of the development of biological processes, natural ecosystems, the maintenance and reproduction of life on the planet. The deterioration and exploitation of bodies of water, added to the increase in the population and the increase of droughts, will cause the availability in Mexico to drop below 3,000 cubic meters per inhabitant per year in 2030. Access to water is a national security issue, a pillar of environmental policy, and a key factor in social and economic policy. Its availability conditions the possibilities of growth and development of the country, and its quality is a determining factor for the health and well-being of the population. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, concluded that the demand would increase 55% globally between 2000 and 2050. In Mexico City, ravines and rivers have taken on a particularly important role due to the water crisis, since they are a crucial space to feed the aquifers, which sustain almost 60% of the water supply in the city. The Barranca de Tarango provides different ecosystem services to Mexico City, such as CO2 captures, improves air quality, dampens the temperature, reduces noise pollution, and it's a habitat for diverse flora and fauna, and it's very important in the hydrological cycle for the Valley of Mexico. It was decreed as an area of environmental value in 2009. In 2010, the Secretariat of the Environment of Mexico City, SEDEMA, published the management plan that established the guidelines for proper management and conservation of this area with the aim of recovering the ecosystem and contributing to the water balance. In 2016, the Ríos Tarango Association obtained a 30 years concession for 2 live rivers without pipes that embrace the Barranca, the Puerta Grande River and the Puente Colorado River, whose main problem is pollution of discharges for domestic use, solid urban waste, and construction waste, which generates not only water pollution but also affects the soil and air. In 2021, we carried out the installation of an artificial wetland, which daily treats and heals 35,100 liters of wastewater from the Puerta Grande River, of which more than 10,000 liters are reused for irrigation, maintenance, and reforestation, components for forest restoration of more than 5.8 hectares in the Barranca Tarango area of environmental value. This project promotes actions and contributes the sustainable development goals of the 2030 Agenda, positively impacting the conditions of the area and citizens in general, strengthening personal, collective, and academic development through educational alliances, and stimulate reflection, questioning the concept of cities, healthy environment, access to water, the recognition and care of the environment, and thus transforming the territory into an economically and environmentally sustainable cultural space. Our goal is to maintain, rehabilitate, and monitor the water quality of this nature-based technology for its optimal functioning and for the wetland to be a collective space for the generation of research, socio-ecological education, and awareness of issues of management and sustainable use of the water as a viable, accessible, and friendly process to attempt to progressively solve the treatment, reuse, and management of water resources.